update on the mortar mix. I've done 3 sand and 1 cement. So usually you'd have 1 1 cement, 1 lime and 1 6 sand. And I've done quite a dry mix because I want it to be able to sit where I put it in and have less chance of shrinkage. Finally, because it's in a 2 kilo yogurt tub, after I've mixed it, I'm going to do a bit of a tumble spin, shake, shake, shake to get a final confirmation that it's all mixed after the shake. So the first goal is to just get stuff into the joints, not to worry about finishing it off pretty. So I'll be using a plaster tool, small tool, to really dig in and push the cement right to the very back. And I've also got 2 other tools. Got the Hawk, which is a plasters tool, and I've got a small tool here for really raking in joints. So small tool for really raking in joints. So both of those allow me to get maximum depth on my mortar joint. Joby from Oz. Really quick workshop update or house update. We just finished putting in some French doors, which already had a lintel over the top, so there wasn't anything structural we needed to do until I cut this piece of timber a little bit too long, smacked it anyway, and lifted the lintel up. As a result, I broke the brickwork on top of the lintel up to the ceiling line. So the fix here has been in 3 stages. First one is to block in some vertical support in 1, 2, 3 spots. And the final step here, I've drilled out the last of the broken cement here, and I'm mixing in a pot of double strength cement to glue it all back together again. Making sure to wet out the bricks. So I've sprayed those with a liberal quantity of water. And just a little spray bottle, just to make sure that everything's nice and wet. That way the cement will actually draw into the bricks as opposed to just drying on contact, ensuring a really good strong bond between the mortar and the bricks. So once this is all re-cemented, then do a final finish plaster coat over the top. It's worth doing right, it's worth doing 3 times, right? Okay. Alright, so I'll just grab a little bit of mortar, squeezing it in, pushing hard up against the roof of the brick. Not worrying too much about any that falls down, but really trying to press it in hard into the surface of the roof of this cavity.
Shouldn't you be wearing gloves?
Yes. Cement is bad for you. This is probably the most delicate cement work though, so I want to be able to have best control, best result, for best strength. Not in my hands, but in the brickwork. So I'm just working it towards the very back of the brick and to the very side of the joints, essentially pushing into the back walls as I go. As it starts to fill out at the top, and it's wetting into the bricks, we're starting to establish a bit of a bond there. And we'll start to do the same thing on the bottom side.
Do you need to worry about blocking the cavity?
No, there's not really much risk. The tool's only this deep. So I'm getting as far back as the brick, but not really any further than that. And being quite a dry mix, it will tend to drop down the hole. There's a 50mm cavity in behind, 2 inches, which won't get blocked up by this sort of stuff. And even if it does, it's a little risk to the wall. The cavity avoids a thermal and moisture barrier, which this isn't going to break. Now it's starting to firm up in this corner. I can actually push some, catch that, into the roof and down to the bottom. So I'm essentially wedging it in from the sides. Good firm compaction of the cement in that joint. So I've left this side to just set a little bit, and I've started to work on these next couple of corners. can see, really trying to force it up into that roof of that corner. That's where this tip of the tool really helps you to get deep in. It's also sort of pushing it out and back as it goes. Once it sets up, it gives me down the bottom over here a chance to actually push against that partially set material and really work against the possibility of there being shrinkage. Another really close in view. Of the tool, and that's only that deep now. Now the last bit I'm just loading up on the hawk and the float. I'm trying to start doing some rendering. So just add a little bit more water on it to make it a little bit more pliable and hopefully stick on a bit better. We'll do just done this bit off camera, unfortunately. My camera's not so easy to hold, but I'm getting a gimbal at some point soon. So I've just put enough on there and smoothed it out. Just kept wetting it and dragging down into the hard pieces from the wet pieces and gradually filled in the centre piece there. Gonna let that set off for a bit, get a bit of strength to it, and then we'll just come over it with a straight edge and just scrape it back to flush before we do our white coat final set plaster. But I've built up this edge here, built up back to there. My final coat will be to do that one there once all that's had a chance to set up. But yeah, progress.
Alright, get out.
So we've left this sitting for long enough now that it's set up, and the final step is just to flat it off to our wall level. And this is one of the really awesome things about render, is that you take this shape really nicely once it dries. And I'll try a little bit in here. And once again, don't use your hands. There we go. Ready for some plastering. Go trip up the hill.